Friends, this is Sivakumar, 11th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 2, continuation of exercise 2.10. Now problem number 3. Determine the region in the plane determined by the inequalities 3x plus 5y greater than or equal to 45, x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Here we have three inequalities. I take the first one. Let 3x plus 5y that is equal to 45. Consider equal sign. You have to retain y in the left hand side. So 5y that is equal to 45 plus 3x comes right hand side minus 3x. So y alone should be retained in the left hand side. So y that is equal to 45 minus 3x divided by 5. Now x and y, we need minimum 3 points for constructing a straight line. I take x equals 0. If we replace x equal to 0, 3 into 0 is 0, 45 minus 0 that is equal to 45, 45 divided by 5 that is equal to 9. Now I take x that is equal to 5. Right? If we replace x by 5, 3 5s are 15. 45 minus 15 that is equal to 30. 30 by 5 that is equal to 6. Right? Now the points to be plotted 0, 9 and 5, 6. Now I am going to plot the points in a graph for tracing a straight line. First point 0, 9 and 5, 6. 0, 9, here it is. 5, 6. 5 in x-axis, 6 in y-axis. Here is the point. 5, 6. So these 2 points to be joined. And extend the line. So this is 3x plus 5y greater than or equal to 45. 3x plus 5y greater than or equal to 45. The next one, you are given x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0, that is the equation of y-axis. Equation of y-axis, that is x equal to 0. Equation of x-axis is y equal to 0. Okay. Now I consider one point over this region. Either this region or that region, you have to consider any one point. I take one point over here. 2, 3. Shall we take here? 2, 3. 2 in x-axis, 3 in y-axis. When 2, 3. Equation 1 implies here x, here y. Substitute x equals 2 and y equals 3 here. 3 into 2, 5 into 3. 3 into x value 2. 5 into y value 3, which is greater than or equal to 45. 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15, which is greater than or equal to 45. 6 plus 15 that is equal to 21, which is greater than or equal to 45, that is false. 21 is actually less than 45, but what is that? Greater than 45, therefore it is false. Therefore, no part of the curve in this region, no part of the common portion in this region. So no points in this region, below this line, will satisfy this inequality. So above this line only the inequality will be satisfied. Above this region only all the points will satisfy this inequality. So look at the direction. So above the line, okay. So this region is a common region, will satisfy all the three inequalities. We can verify now. Okay. This shaded region will satisfy all the three inequalities. What are the three inequalities here? Number 1, number 2 and number 3. Okay. For verifying whether the shaded region is correct or wrong, I take one point over here. Here I take 6 and 10. Shall we take 6 and 10? Even you can take 5 and 10. 5 comma 10. Even you can take 4 comma 10. I take 4 comma 10. 4 and 10. What point it is? 4 comma 10. Okay, look at that. 4 in x-axis, 10 in y-axis, 4 comma 10 I consider. So when x that is equal to 4 comma 10, sorry, when the point is 4 comma 10, I write over here, when 4 comma 10, this is x, y, substitute in equation number 1. 3 into x, 3 into 4 plus 5 into y, y value is 10 which is greater than or equal to 45. 3 4s are 12, 5 10s are 50 which is greater than or equal to 45. 12 plus 50 that is equal to 62 which is greater than or equal to 45. Yes, absolutely correct. 62 is greater than 45. True. What is the x? X that is equal to 4. 4 which is greater than 0. That is also correct. Then substitute y that is equal to 10. 10 which is greater than 0. Equation 2 implies 4 greater than 0. True. Equation 3 implies 3 that is y greater than or equal to 0. What is the value of y? 10. 10 which is greater than or equal to 0. True. So all the three conditions are satisfied. Therefore, this is a common region satisfying all the three inequalities. Now here I have tried the scale. I write over here in x-axis 1 centimeter equals 1 unit, and in y-axis 1 centimeter that is equal to 1 unit. Over. So problem number 3 is completed. I'll be teaching that next problem, that is problem number 4, in the next video. Thank you, children.